Now, mostly I hear people say it's my dream job, or it's my dream to fly. So, if it's your dream, what do they do? So, if you love traveling, they'll take you to different countries for free. For that, they will hire you.
But what is that customer care?
Customer service, what is
Yes,
it?
what is it?
See, the main thing is, the next question is, why would you like to be a cabin crew? Very popular question. Now, mostly I hear people say it's my dream job, or it's my dream to fly. So, if it's your dream, what do they do? Come and fulfill your aspirations and dream? So, you have to give a more professional answer, as I'm saying. I hope the idea is clear, the interview psychology that is there, that the company's interest should be matched. Okay, so the question is, why do you want to be a cabin crew? One answer I rejected is my dream. Second, many people say, I love traveling. I love traveling. So if you love traveling, they'll take you to different countries for free. For that, they will hire you. Why? It's not a professional answer. You can't say, I love traveling and I love, Switzerland. It's my dream to fly. Okay. Now, let's take a look at the professional way of answering this question. You can say, as an answer, I love customer service. I love ensuring that the people are comfortable. Yeah, ensuring that they are comfortable. And cabin crew is a combination of teamwork, customer service, correct? Discipline, punctuality, hospitality, which motivates me. Is it clear? This type of answer is a very, very professional approach of answering. All right. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me the questions.
Ma'am, I have a question. That is, you already told that it is a combination of customer care and discipline and travel and everything as well. But what is that customer care?
Customer service, what is
Yes,
it?
what is it?
See, the main thing is, when the passengers are there, best customer service is, you need to understand their needs. Listen to the passengers very carefully, okay? And you should be empathetic towards their problems or whatever issues they are. Main star factor is, for best customer service, that the passengers, when they enter the flight, when they are on board, and when they are leaving the flight, there should be a bright smile on their face. That the whole experience of traveling by the flight that you're working at, it should be very satisfactory, like when you watch a movie and you go out very happily. Yeah, so that experience of the passengers should be very positive. That's the best customer service you can give.
It feels like that they are very comfortable with that, with our service,
Yes.
with us also.
Yes, your manners, the way you're talking to them, the way you serve food to them, overall, whatever issues they have, you're solving that. Rather than responding emotionally, you should focus on solving their problem. So that the bottom line, the best line I would say is, in one line, if I have to explain that, their entire traveling experience should be too good. And that smile will tell you that it was a fantastic ride. Like when you watch a movie, you say, wow, what a movie, what an experience. So going somewhere by flight, that's also an experience, So when they will go wherever they are going, maybe London or maybe Chennai, wherever, Mumbai or whichever, Australia, okay, they should say, wow, my flight experience was so amazing. The staff was so good, the cabin crew, the food, the entire decorum, discipline. Then you know that, yeah, you did a good job.